In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide an album on Google Photos. While the web version of Google Photos doesn't let you fully hide an entire album with a single switch, there are two practical approaches that can help you keep certain photos out of sight. I'll walk you through what's possible today, why it works that way, and how to choose the option that fits your needs. Start by opening Google Photos in your browser, sign into your account, then open the album you'd like to keep less visible. Right up front, it's important to know that Google has removed or limited older album hiding features, especially for some shared albums. That's why the best results now come from managing the photos inside an album rather than the album itself. The first option is to use Archive. This is a quick way to clean up your main photos feed without deleting anything. Inside the album, select the photos you want to move out of your main timeline. Click the three dots more menu and choose Archive. Those photos will immediately move to the archive and disappear from your main chronological view. This is great for reducing clutter and keeping personal moments out of your day-to-day feed. Just remember, archiving does not hide the album itself, and archived photos can still appear in search results and remain visible inside albums. If the album is shared, archiving your copies does not retroactively hide them from people who already have access. You can always find archived items later by opening your archive. If you need stronger privacy, the second option is to use Locked Folder. This is the closest thing to truly hiding photos. When you move items to Locked Folder, they are hidden from albums, search, and your main library. However, there's no one-click way to hide an entire album. You'll need to move the photos themselves. Think of Locked Folder as a private vault for sensitive images and videos. It's best for content you don't want popping up in search, memories, or any albums at all. Availability can vary by device and account, and since it's designed for privacy, items in Locked Folder won't be shareable until you move them back out. To recap, Archive is ideal for tidying your main feed while keeping photos accessible in albums and search, and Locked Folder is the stricter privacy route that removes items from albums and search altogether. Choose the approach that matches how private you want those photos to be, and keep in mind that on the web today, hiding an entire album outright isn't supported.